Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the FEIT smart bulb. Currently this bulb is on sale in Costco. It's just 2 pack is 7.99 plus tax. So this is a very good price for smart bulb. And as they mentioned, this works with FEIT electric app, and you can schedule, you can change different colors, and it's actually 60-watt replacement of traditional bulb, and it just use only 9 watt, and you can control it by voice. It works with both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa as well as Siri also. So I usually use Google, so I will install this one and will show you the demo and show you that if it works or not. It's color changing, so different, you can choose different colors. So that's all. And it's um, energy star certified, so will save energy. And make sure you connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi network. It doesn't work with 5G, and it's dimmable as well. So friends, let's open it. And as I told you, it's on sale in Costco just for 7.99. So I think this is a very good price. It means each bulb is costing only $4. So I like that. I don't like this kind of packaging. It's very hard to open. So friends, this is the bulb. um, it's LED bulb. So I'm going to install, and we'll show you through the app installation and connecting to the app, and we'll show you demo some like features like and if I saw any problem, I'll let you guys know. So let's go and install it. So friends, I just turned on the power, like connected to the power, and just connected it to the power. So it's glowing. That's good thing. Let me now set up, connect to the Wi-Fi. So friends, as you can see, the light is now on and it connected to the power. So I am dimming it. So you can see the dim is working fine. You can dim it. Let me show you here from the app as well. Like, so I'm putting down little bit so I can dim it. And let me change the colors. Now it's white, and let's change it to red color, daylight, white, soft white. Also effects, I can create effect, different effects you can create. changing different colors, friends. Also, let me see. So different effects you can select. See, the effect is selected. I can change the color, also different lot of colors. Like from here I can change the color as well. Yellow, purple. Also there are some colors here. Directly I can select, and this is tunable, like something. I'm not sure what does it mean. It has something. Maybe you can check. So friends, I just put it in the the lamp. So let's try with Google. Hey Google, can you turn on family room bulb? Alright, turning the family room bulb on. See, it worked. Hey Google, can you turn off family room bulb? Alright, turning the family room bulb off. So that's all. And you can schedule it as well, and you can play like schedule and put effects based on your requirement. So friends, that's all about this smart bulb. um, let me know how do you like my video. You can put a comment in the comment box and your thoughts and everything. Also share your thoughts. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.